Ever wondered how many businesses trust Expensify to handle their expenses? It's a question that speaks volumes about the software's reach and reliability, doesn't it? In today's fast-paced world, managing finances efficiently is crucial for businesses of all sizes. Expense tracking, in particular, can be a real headache if not handled properly. Think about the stacks of receipts, the manual data entry, the endless chasing of employees for expense reports. It's enough to make any finance team groan. That's where Expensify steps in, promising to streamline these processes and bring order to the chaos. They offer a cloud-based platform designed to automate expense reports, track receipts, and reimburse employees quickly. Features like automatic receipt scanning, credit card reconciliation, and integrations with accounting software make it an attractive solution for businesses looking to save time and reduce errors. But just how many companies have embraced this digital transformation with Expensify? To really understand their impact, we need to look at their user base. While Expensify doesn't publicly disclose the exact, real-time number of paying customers, we can piece together some information to get a sense of their scale. Over the years, Expensify has consistently highlighted significant milestones in its growth. They've proudly announced reaching hundreds of thousands of businesses using their platform. These figures, while not a precise daily count, paint a picture of a substantial and thriving user community. Consider this: each of those businesses, whether a small startup or a large corporation, likely has multiple employees submitting and processing expenses. This means the actual number of individual users benefiting from Expensify's services is significantly higher than the number of customer companies. Furthermore, Expensify's tiered pricing model caters to a wide range of businesses, from individual users and small teams to large enterprises. This broad appeal suggests a diverse and extensive customer base. Their focus on providing solutions for different organizational needs likely contributes to their widespread adoption. Industry reports and analyses also offer insights into Expensify's market position. While specific customer numbers might not be available, these reports often place Expensify as a leading player in the expense management software space, indicating a strong and active user base. The success of Expensify can be attributed to several factors. Their user-friendly interface, robust feature set, and seamless integrations have undoubtedly played a significant role in attracting and retaining customers. The ongoing need for efficient expense management solutions across various industries also fuels their growth. So, while we don't have a precise, up-to-the-minute figure, the available information strongly suggests that Expensify serves a vast number of businesses globally, likely hundreds of thousands, and an even larger number of individual users. Their continued growth and prominence in the expense management market indicate a strong and expanding customer base. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.